I think the main problems we had with Historical Railways Estate's £35.4 million repair figure were that they took a disproportionate approach to the engineering, and some of the individual costs were overinflated. To give you a couple of examples, when you put a cycle path through an old railway tunnel, the convention is you lay a 3-metre wide tarmac strip, and in Queensbury Tunnel that would cost about £400,000. What HRE costed was a full-width, full-depth carriageway with earthworks, drainage and pavements at a cost of £3.1 million. If you look at water management, they currently have permanent pumps at the south end of the tunnel. They tell us that the operating costs for those are about £2,000 annually. The repair figure includes 2 years' worth of pumping provision for £805,000. If you look at design, most of the defects in Queensbury Tunnel can be resolved using Network Rail standard tunnel lining repair methods. The elements that will require specific design work are things like in situ concrete repairs, spray concrete repairs, and consultants tell us that the design fee associated with those ought to be in the sort of high tens of thousands. HRE's design fee, £3.5 million. And so what you have there are 3 example costs that ought to come to about £500,000 coming in at £7.4 million. And then of course they added a £10 million contingency on top of that. In our view, the alarm bell should have been ringing, but they provided that cost to the DFT, and of course they said it was unaffordable. They provided that cost to Bradford Council. They ran to the hills effectively. And so we've really been confronted with the need for a 2-year-long damage limitation exercise. I think to a certain extent we've been successful, but 35.4 million still casts quite a dark shadow.